Are you struggling with hair loss and looking for a reliable solution? Let me introduce you to Provillus, a revolutionary hair restoration product designed for both men and women. Provillus utilizes a powerful blend of ingredients that promote healthy hair growth and combat thinning hair. What sets Provillus apart is its dual-action formula, which includes topical solutions and dietary supplements to nourish your hair from both the outside and within. Many satisfied customers have seen significant improvements in hair density and overall hair health after using Provillus consistently. Imagine restoring your confidence and feeling proud of your luscious locks again. Don't let hair loss hold you back any longer. Take the first step towards revitalizing your hair today. With Provillus, achieving the beautiful hair you desire is within reach. Provillus is an amazing tool that is for sure worth investing in. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.